Hey there and welcome to your AI Builder. And today we will talk about how to use CIVITAI models into your custom projects, your websites, and wherever you want to use it. So let's start. So these are the steps that I have added into the notebook. So it will be easy for you to run this particular notebook. So what you need to do first is install all of these dependencies into your environment. So what you need to do is just click on this particular play button, and it will start downloading these dependencies for you. It will take 1 minute and install all the dependencies for you. As you see, I have run this before because this complete notebook will take some time to execute. So that's why I want to make this video shorter. And I've run this before. Okay, so you can click on and install all the dependencies for you. After that, what you need to do is set up the environment. You can import all of these libraries and set up the environment. If you are using the CPU, then it will be work on the CPU as well. If you are using the GPU, it will be work on the GPU as well. So I have set it into the CPU right now because most of the cases what we have, the developers or the students, if you are a student, they doesn't have the accessibility of the GPU. So you can test this into the CPU as well. So all you need to do is just click on this play button and it will send the environment into the CPU. If you are connected your runtime into the GPU, then it will automatically connect it to the GPU as well. So after that, what you need to do is download the CIVITAI model. You can download any model that you have liked. I will show you how you can do this as well. Oh, come into the CIVITAI website. What you need to do is just click on the download button and upload it into the Google Drive, and you can use this as well. And if you don't want to download this, what you need to do is right click onto this particular download button, copy the link. It will also show you into the top left bottom corner as well, https://civitai.com/API download/models 88276. So this is the code of this particular model. You can check this out if this particular link is working or not. What you need to do is just come on and the new tab and paste the particular link what we have copied from this CIVITAI website. So click on the enter and you can see it will start downloading. Let's cancel it for now because I wouldn't need it. Okay, so this is the process which was going to help you to download the particular model. You can use this into the any model that you have like, and you can download it by copy the link of the model, and after that what you need to do is just paste it into this particular section. You can remove this particular section and paste the link of your particular model that you want to use. So after that what you need to do is just click on the play button and it will start downloading the model for you. Once the downloading is done, you can see this particular file, Ghibli style mix v10.ckpt, what I have right now here, Ghibli style mix v10. It will download these two files for you, this particular file for you, and after that when we convert on the next tab it will show you this particular file as well. So you can see this particular file right there. So after that, drag it down to the notebook, and what you need to do is download the GitHub repository to convert your model into diffuser. So what we are doing right now, we are using the Ghibli style mix model with the help of diffusers, because diffusers are easy to understand and you have lots of material on the internet. How can you access the diffuser and how can you manipulate the stable diffusion library? So what we are doing right now is using this particular GitHub repository. It's a Hugging Face website that we are using to convert the script into the stable diffusers. So what you need to do is just click on the play button and it will convert the particular model. What we have right now is the Ghibli style mix converted into the stable diffusion. So click on it, it will download these particular repositories and save into your notebook. And after that, what we are doing is converting our model to the stable diffuser. So what we need to do is we have already connect to this repository. We have downloaded it to our personal notebook. And after that, what we are doing is just adding the name of the model what we have downloaded before into this particular section, and set up the folder in which folder we are want to save it. So this is the folder name, Ghibli style mix vx10, what I have created there, and click on the play button. It will convert this particular model into the diffuser. So it will take some time. almost 2 minutes, and it will convert this particular model into the diffuser. After that, what you will get is all the feature extractor, safety checker, scheduler, text encoder, tokenizers, unit, VUA, and the model index.json file. So you can click on this particular file and you can see which stable diffusion pipeline you can use with what is the diffuser version and the feature extractor and all of these information that you have need to manipulate this particular model. So here we go. We are good to go now. We are converting the particular model into the diffusion, and we can use this particular model and generate the results for us now. So this is the particular layers of the encoder. You can skip this or you can use this according to your need. And here we go. We are loading the stable diffusion pipeline. Now what we are doing is adding the path, not of this particular model, but this particular model in which we have all of the files. We have feature extractor, model index, .json, and all of these particular need that we have, particular things that we have needed, tokenizer, text encoder, and all of these things. So you can add this particular file path here, and it will start the processing. It will change the pipe scheduler to EADS and start the processing for you. And it will take less than a minute and done the process for you. After that, what you need to do is add the prompt according to your need, according to your results that you have want. You can check out the prompt from the CIVITAI website as well, or if you wanna add by yourself, you can add this particular prompt by yourself as well. So the prompt have the limit of 77 tokens. So I have set this particular code as well, so you can increase the prompt limit as well according to your need. It will take more than 77 prompts. So here we go. This is the particular prompt code, and after that you can add the prompt. I have added the prompt with Google, and the negative prompt is negative NG deep negative V7 D5G. You can add any prompt that you have like, and you can click on it. And this is the particular code which will generate the results for you. So you can adjust this parameter according to yourself. So do not change the starting index as I have mentioned here as well, because it will take the arrays. So the array is starting from 0 always, so it doesn't need to change this. You can change the batch size. What is mean by batch size here? You can generate as many results as you want. So you can see into the websites like DALL-E or Stable Diffusion. What they have is when we enter a prompt, it will generate more than one image. It will show us 4 to 5 images, and we can select the image according to our need. It will generate separate results, and whatever result that we have like, we can download it and use it according to our needs. So you can add this particular thing into your custom notebook as well. So right now what I've set it the batch size to the 1, so it will generate only 1 image for me, but you can change it according to yourself. If I add 5 batch size, it will generate 7 images for me. If I add 10 batch size, it will generate 10 images for me. So it's totally depends upon you. Do not change the starting index, but you can adjust the batch size according to your need. So after that, we will start the loop. For the one image, you doesn't need to add the loop, but it's a if you want to add multiple images, then you will go for the looping process. So, but I have set the loop there as well, so you can do it according to your need. So after that, what you need to do is set up the interfaces steps. If you increase the number of interfaces, it will increase the results as well. But after that, it will require GPU for you. So right now I've set it into the CPU environment, so it will better to go with the 20 interface steps. So you can adjust all of these things according to your need. You can adjust the image size and all of this stuff. So after that, it will generate the image for you. It will take 19 minutes, and you can check out the results here. I uploaded this image, and you can see the results here as well. So it was good. It will generate good results for you. So you can adjust it according to yourself. So hope this video help you out to how to use the CIVITAI model into your custom website or custom project. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you need the code of this particular notebook, then comment your email and I will send you the code as well. So thank you so much. If you